Hello viewers, welcome back to my Tech Talk channel, SmartBot Sphere. Today we are going to discuss 10 Excel shortcuts which significantly improve productivity. These are widely used by analysts, operations teams, and automation professionals working with Microsoft Excel. Let's get into the video. Here I have a sample Excel data with employee details. What I'm going to do is copy some full name and first name from the data and will paste in H column beside the table. Remove data from second row. Select the first row in first name column which has value James. Drag your selection until last row of the table. Now press Ctrl+E in your keyboard. Look at table, it filled the first name column in the similar pattern as above. Now I am going to create duplicate data in this table to test the formula. Let's use two different Excel methods to create data. First one is add row between 6th and 7th row. Use Ctrl+D to fill the data. Second method is copy the 15th row in table range. Right-click on 16th row. In the pop-up, click Insert Copied Cell. Now the data is ready. Let's select all data in the table range and click Data menu and click Remove Duplicates. In this pop-up menu, you can select what are the headers to be considered and click OK. Now look at the message box. It shows 2 rows of duplicate are removed which we added. Now let's see creating structured table from raw data range. Press Ctrl+A key to select entire range. Go to Insert menu and click on Table. If you already have headers, then check this My Table Has Headers checkbox. Click OK. Now the table is created. Also see there is another new menu got added as Table Design. Change the table name to a meaningful name. You can also change the table styles from the available styles. You can also use multiple quick table rows options like total rows and many other options. When I scroll, the Excel sheet the header also scrolling up. I want to fix the header at the top always and only from second row data must scroll. That's where Freeze Panes comes into picture. Go to View menu and click Freeze Panes. Now scroll to down and look at the top headers is frozen at the top. So I can always see header when working with Excel table ranges. We can also insert freeze panes for column, so when I scroll right I can freeze certain ranges in left pane. Let's practically do this. Unfreeze panes and insert freeze pane again.
Now I am scrolling right. Look at the range left, range stay as it is, when scrolling right. We learnt following Excel tricks which save good enough amount of time in real-time usage. Start using it and stay connected for more videos like this.